freeze warning is in effect tonight for portions of northeast Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas, where temperatures are expected to drop into the upper 20s to lower 30s. These temperatures can kill plants and tender vegetation left outdoors and unprotected. Tonight, clear. Lows 27.
This is the JLWAS Emergency Weather Center. A severe weather notification has been issued for your area. Please pay close attention to the details of the following message.
Freeze warning in effect from 1 a.m. to 9 a.m. Central Standard Time Wednesday. What is to be expected? Temperatures in the upper 20s and lower 30s. Where will it occur? Portions of northeast Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas. When will it happen? From 1 a.m. to 9 a.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday. Impacts that should be expected. These conditions will kill plants and other tender vegetation that are left outdoors or unprotected. Precautionary preparedness actions. Outdoor water pipes should be wrapped, drained, or allowed to run in a slow, steady stream. Precautions should also be taken to protect small plants and tender vegetation.
Veterans Day, sunny. High 71.